Today's lesson, the first topic we're going to take a look at is the change of base formula. So I can go over in class why this formula works, but for now we're just going to practice it. What the change of base formula is really helpful for is evaluating logs in your calculator that aren't base 10 or the natural log. So if you look at the formula here, this is log base A of x. You can change the base of the log. Notice how the right-hand side has log base b. And what I like to remember for changing the base is the base is a subscript, so it's lower, so that one goes in the denominator. What you're taking the log of is higher, that one goes in the numerator. So you keep them in the same order, kind of, when you change the base. So you can change log base a of x to log base b of x divided by log base b of a. So the first couple of examples we're going to take a look at, we're going to use that property, and you're going to practice using your calculator as well. Now remember, the formula, you can change it to any base. What we normally do is change it to either the common log base 10 or the natural log base e, so we can punch those into our calculator and get an approximate evaluation for logs that we can't evaluate without a calculator, like our first couple of examples here. So starting with our first, we have log base 4 of 30. 4 to what power equals 30? It is not an integer because 30 is not an exact power of 4. So we can change the base of the log. We can use the common log or the natural log. I'm going to start with the common log. 30 is higher, so that goes in the numerator. And 4, the base is lower, so that's going to go in the denominator. So notice I changed the base to the common log. You can change the base to any number that you want to. Again, common log and natural log are the ones that our calculators are pre-programmed to use, so that's what it's most helpful for. So if you punch this into your calculator, log of 30 divided by log of 4, you can get your decimal approximation for log base 4 of 30, which is about 2.453. Anytime you round, for my class, please keep it to the nearest thousand, 3 decimal places. So now we're going to see how it works using the natural log. You will get the exact same answer if you want to go back and check this on part A. If you want to go back and do natural log of 30 divided by natural log of 4, you will get the exact same answer. Remember, this formula works to change it to any base. And the natural log is simply a log base b, base e. So for our second one, I'm going to change it to the natural log. So it's going to be natural log of 14. 14 is higher in the original expression over the natural log of 2. 2 is lower in the original expression. Punch that into your calculator and you get approximately 3.807.